2024 Hyundai Santa Cruz SEL with activity package. I'm going to show you how to put hood struts on. Yeah, because it has those stupid hood props. Don't like them. Well, obviously the first thing we got to do is we got to pop the hood. Now, as stated, it comes with these props. I hate these things. You got to pull it up, you got to find the hole, and then after you get it in there, and then when you try to put the hood, you got to get it out of there. It's just, I don't like them. I don't prefer them at all. So I got and installed these hood struts, and they work magnificently. They're real easy to put in. It's not that bad. It's not that hard. It's fairly easy. You'll have to assemble these brackets, which isn't hard at all. You just put the little button barrel thing through here with the nut. You take off one of the bolts, the inside one here, for the strut tower, for the shock tower, and you just put the clamp on there, the bracket on there, put the nut back on, torque it back down, and then what I suggest that you do is go get yourself some of these bodywork tools. I got mine at Harbor Freight. We all know Harbor Freight is fairly inexpensive, and what you need those for is up here you have to take this little button out. Now, you could get a screwdriver or something else and really screw that thing up, but if you want to keep it and be able to put things back in, use this tool. You get underneath it and you pop it out, and then you can actually put it back in. But then you just install the other round button thing up here. Now, it's a little bit tricky because once you pull this back, there's a little slot, and there's a nut, two nuts actually, that come attached on a soft piece of metal. And with that soft piece of metal, they are actually just electrical taped on. So you take and you put that in a little slot here, and you hold it behind, and then you attach that part there, and then you can put everything back together. It looks nice and clean. It doesn't look like you tore everything apart. And then you have your hood struts. And all you do is you just snap the bottom on the bottom, attach the top on the top, and Bob's your uncle. They work very, very well, in my opinion. Oh, I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and go ahead and leave me a comment below if you got any use out of this little video.
What we do here is go back.